बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे क्वेश्चन किया, सर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स के कॉमन नेमिंग याद रखने में हमें दिक्कत आ रही है. Those who have asked this question, they are really brilliant students, because most of the questions on this carboxylic acid topic, they are asked on the basis of common naming. तो चलिए इस वीडियो में कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स के कॉमन नेमिंग किस तरह याद रख सकते हैं उसके ट्रिक के बारे में हम देखते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, एग्जाम एक क्रिकेट मैच की तरह होती है. स्टूडेंट बैटिंग एंड पे रहता है और एग्जामिनर बॉलिंग साइड पे. कब गुगली आ जाए इसका पता भी नहीं चलता. इसलिए वही अच्छा बैट्समैन है जो हमेशा बॉलर के हाथ के तरफ ध्यान देता है ताकि वो जान सके बॉल किस तरह टर्न लेने वाली है. इसी तरह अच्छा स्टूडेंट वही होता है, वही स्टूडेंट ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट कहलाएगा जो ध्यान देता है एग्जाम में किस टॉपिक पर ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस कॉमन नेमिंग पर आते हैं और किस टॉपिक में आईयूपीएसी नेमिंग यूज़ करके क्वेश्चन बनाए जाते हैं. इस पर जो स्टूडेंट ध्यान देता है उसको कामयाबी मिलना तय है. तो इस कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड पर ज़्यादातर एग्जामिनर कॉमन नेम यूज करके क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. वैलेरिक एसिड, कैप्रोइक एसिड, एडिपिक एसिड, these are the few common names which we study in carboxylic acid, and these compounds they are also useful and helpful in polymer chemistry. तो इस टॉपिक में जो भी हम कॉमन नेमिंग हम लर्न करते हैं इसका यूज पॉलीमर केमिस्ट्री में भी होने वाला है. तो चलिए ट्रिक जान लेते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, COOH ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप. जो भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में COOH ग्रुप रहेगा उस ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड कहते हैं. व्हाई वी कॉल इट COOH ग्रुप एज कार्बोक्सिल group? It is very interesting to know. If we write the structure of carboxyl group, it looks like this. It is made up of two functional groups, C double bond O and OH. C double bond O, this group is called as carbonyl group, and OH group is called as hydroxyl group. And the first four letters of carbonyl and last four letters of hydroxyl, when they are combined we get the word carboxyl. Here only I would like to tell you that when hydroxyl group is present with carbonyl, it is called as carboxyl, and when the hydroxyl group is present with alkyl group, they are called as alcohols. When hydroxyl group is present with the benzene, they are called as phenols. I repeat, when the OH group is present with alkyl group, the compounds are called as alcohols. When OH group is present with benzene, the compounds are called as phenols. When the OH group is present with carbonyl group, they are called as carboxylic acids. Now let us try to understand the structure of this carboxylic group. The carboxylic group looks like this, and carbon with double bond, it is sp2 hybridized. We should remember that. Carbon with single bond, it is sp3 hybridized. Carbon with double bonds, it is sp2 hybridized, and carbon with triple bond, it is sp hybridized. Here the carbon is with double bond, therefore it is sp2 hybridized, and the bond angle is 120 degree, and the geometry of this carboxylic group is trigonal planar. Now let us see how the carboxylic acids are classified. Carboxylic acids are classified into three types: monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acids, and tricarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acids, they contain only one carboxyl group, and dicarboxylic acids, they contain two carboxylic group, and tricarboxylic acids, they contain three carboxyl groups. First I give you trick to remember the common names of dicarboxylic acids and monocarboxylic acids. Then I give you the tricks to remember the common names of tricarboxylic acids respectively. Now I give you the super trick to remember the common names of dicarboxylic acids. First 7 members of dicarboxylic acids, they are very important from the view of your board exam as well as competitive level exam. What are dicarboxylic acids? The carboxylic acids which contain two carboxyl groups, they are called as dicarboxylic acids. Now the IUPAC name is very simple. You have to write alkane, then you have to write dioic acid. Here you need not have to remove the E letter of alkane because dioic acid, this D is not a vowel. So you have to write complete alkane name and you have to add dioic acid. For example, the COH, there are two carbon atoms. Two carbon atoms means ethane, dioic acid. So this is the IUPAC name of COH. And the next compound is COH, CH2, COH. There are three carbon atoms, so propane, dioic acid. Similarly, the next contains four carbon atoms, therefore this is butane, dioic acid. Then the next one contains five carbon atoms, so it is pentane, dioic acid. The next one is hexane, dioic acid. Hexane dioic acid. The next one contains 7, so heptane dioic acid. The last one contains 8 carbon atoms, so it is octane dioic acid. So the IUPAC name of dicarboxylic acid is very simple. So the questions will not appear by using these words. So the most important for board as well as for competitive level exam, they ask the questions using the common names. So what are the common names of all these 7 compounds? Let us see. Now the trick to remember the dicarboxylic acid is Ohm's gaps. You have to remember these two words, Ohm's gaps. In physics, we know that resistance is measured in ohms, that is Ohm's gaps. You have to remember this one, O-M-S, Ohm's gaps, G-A-P-S. O stands for oxalic acid, M stands for malonic acid, S stands for succinic acid, G stands for glutaric acid, A stands for adipic acid, P stands for pimalic acid, and S stands for subaric acid. So in this way, you have to remember that Ohm's gaps, oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, pimalic acid, and subaric acid. This adipic acid is very important. Its molecular formula, its structural formula is very important because in polymer chemistry, we are going to use this adipic acid in the preparation of nylon 6,6. So these compounds, they become very useful in other topics also. So common names of these dicarboxylic acid can be remembered by Ohm's, O-M-S, Ohm's gaps, G-A-P-S. O stands for oxalic acid, M stands for malonic acid, S stands for succinic acid, G stands for glutaric acid, and A stands for adipic acid, pimalic acid and subaric acid. इस तरह हम डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स के कॉमन नेम, ओम्स गैप्स इस टेक्निक से याद रख सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आई हैव टेकन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स इन मेकिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, प्लीज सपोर्ट मी। Friends, let us learn the common naming and IUPAC naming of monocarboxylic acids. These are the first 6 members of monocarboxylic acids. Already I have told you that monocarboxylic acid, they contain a single COOH group. The carboxylic acid containing one carboxyl group, they are called as monocarboxylic acids, and these are the first 6 members of monocarboxylic acids. We are going to learn their common name as well as IUPAC name one by one. IUPAC name of monocarboxylic acid, it is very easy. What we have to do? Alkane plus oic acid. First we have to write alkane, the name of the alkane, and oic acid. See here, alkane, the last letter E, and oic acid, the first letter O. This is oval and this is also oval. Two ovals in organic chemistry do not come side by side, so we have to remove one oval of alkane. We have to remove the E of alkane. We have to add oic acid. For example, HCOOH, this contains one carbon atom, and alkane containing one carbon atom is called as methane. We have to remove the last letter E and we have to add oic acid. Therefore, the name of this HCOOH is called as methanoic acid. And second carboxylic acid contain two carbon atoms. Two carbon atom containing alkane is called as ethane. We have to remove the last letter E by oic acid. So we get the name ethanoic acid. CH3COOH is called as ethanoic acid. This compound contains 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, 3 carbon atom means propane. Therefore, it becomes propanoic acid. And the fourth contains 4 carbon atoms. So it is called as butanoic acid. And the fifth contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, that is pentane. We have to remove the last letter E by oic acid. So we get the IUPAC name of this compound as pentanoic acid, and this is hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. So IUPAC name of carboxylic groups are very easy. If there is one carbon atom, it is called methanoic acid. 2 carbon atoms, ethanoic acid. 3 carbon, propanoic. 4 carbons, butanoic. 5 carbons, pentanoic, and 6 carbon, hexanoic acid. Now I give you the trick how to remember these first 6 members of monocarboxylic acids with their common name. Tricks for common name of monocarboxylic acid. I give you a super trick. You have to remember one simple word. That word is
for app BVC. I repeat, for app BVC. For app BVC. For app BVC.
So F stands for formic acid. Formic acid. A stands for acetic acid. P stands for propanoic acid. B stands for butyric acid. And V stands for valeric acid. And CS stands for caproic acid. So the trick to remember the first 6 member of monocarboxylic acid is
for app BVC.
F formic acid, A acetic acid, P propanoic acid, B butyric acid, V valeric acid, and C caproic acid. In this way, we can easily remember the common names of first 6 members. देखो, अगर आपको एग्जाम में वैलेरिक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए, तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
for app BVC,
HCOH सिंगल कार्बन एटम, 2 कार्बन एटम, 3 कार्बन एटम्स, 4, 5, 6 लिख लो, आपको पता चल जाएगा। वैलरिक एसिड का अगर स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए तो CH3CH2 CH2 CH2 COH आ जाएगा। अगर कैप्रोइक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए तो 6 कार्बन वाला कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड लिख दो, हो जाएगा। Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm thankful to YouTube and millions of YouTube viewers.